Here's another example of multiplying a binomial and a trinomial. But here we're working with more than one variable, but it's no different from anything that we've been doing before as long as we keep track of our steps. So again, the idea is that you want to take each term of the first polynomial and you want to multiply it with each one of the second. So I have 6x as my first term. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take 6x, I'm going to multiply it with each term in my second polynomial. So I have 6x. Let's start. Whoops. Let me rewrite that. It's 6x times 4x plus a 6x times a negative 6v. Again, notice I'm taking my sign with me. Then I have a plus 6x again, so I have 6x, and then I have times a negative 7. So now I've multiplied 6x with each term in the second polynomial. Now I do my second phase. Right, I take this is negative 5v, and I'm going to multiply that by each term in the second. So I have negative 5v times 4x minus another 5v times a negative 6b. Right, that was this one, and I take a negative 5v minus 5v times a negative 7. Now if I start to simplify, my first term here is 24x squared. My second term, 6 times 6 gives me or 6 times negative 6 gives me a minus 36 xv. I can't combine anything, right? These are two different variables. Next one is 6 times negative 7 is, oops, it's not quite right. 6 times negative 7 is negative 42, and all I have is an x. The next one, I go here and I have 4 times 5 gives me a negative 20, and I have a v and an x. Next one, negative 5, negative 6 gives me a plus 30. I have v squared. And then my last one here is negative 5 times negative 7 gives me a plus 35v. Okay, so let's see what we have, if there's anything that we can combine. Well, notice I had an xv here and a vx. These are the same, right? Because multiplication is commutative, doesn't matter the order. So these two are actually the same, they're like terms, but everything else is unique. So I'm going to go ahead and I have 24x squared. And then I have a vx minus 36 minus 20 gives me a minus 56. And I'm going to make it xv. And then I have a minus 42x plus 35v. And I have plus 30v squared.